Hi children, this is your ANR sir. Today I have come up with a new lesson on division of polynomials. Division of polynomials. This lesson is for class 9th. This lesson is for class 9th and these sums are taken from class 9th state syllabus textbook. Class 9th Andhra Pradesh state syllabus textbook. Exercise number 2.3 and page number 52. Your first sum reads like this. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by the following linear polynomials. So some 5 examples are given. Out of that, I selected 2. So first one is to divide by x plus 1 and second one by x minus 1 by 2. So let us see how to divide x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 1. So let me write this polynomial here, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Clear? Here I take x plus 1. So now what we should do? By multiplying by what term to x, you get x cube. Listen carefully. Multiplying by what term to this x, you get x cube. Very simple. Here power is 3. Here power is 1. 3 minus 1 how much? 2. And you have to multiply by x square. Understood? Here power is 3 and here power is 1. 3 minus 1 how much? 2. That means you have to multiply by x square. And here also you get sign plus. So here also you get sign plus. So you should take plus. So now what you should do? You have to multiply this whole polynomial by x square. X square into x, x cube. Plus into plus, plus. X square into 1, x square. Now you have to subtract. So before subtracting you have to change the signs. So here plus become minus, here plus become minus. So plus x cube and minus x cube cancels. Plus x cube and minus x cube cancels. And here you have 1 minus 1. Here you have plus 3. 3 minus 1, 2. X square. I think you understood how you got this 2x square. Now you have to bring this 3x down. Clear? In the same way here what number is here? 1. Here you have 2. So you have to multiply by number 2. And next, here power is 2 and here power is 1. 2 minus 1, 1. So x. You have to multiply these two terms by 2x. 2x into x, 2x square, plus into plus, plus 2x into 1, 2x. Now what you need to do? You have to subtract. So before subtracting you have to change the sign. 2x square and 2x square cancel. Plus 3 minus 2. Plus 3 minus 2. So you get 1 x. X. Here you have to bring down this 1. So now here x is here and here also x. So you need to multiply by 1. So let us multiply both the terms by 1. 1 into x, x. Plus into plus, plus. 1 into 1, 1. Now you have to subtract. You have to change the sign. Plus x minus x cancels. Plus 1 minus 1 cancels. So your remainder here 0. So now you got quotient this one. You got remainder this one. So let us write quotient x square plus 2x plus 1 and remainder 0. So what we can say? We can say that this x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. X plus 1 is a factor of polynomial what? X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Understood? Now let us divide by x minus 1 by 2. So let us take this polynomial here, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. And here let us take x minus 1 by 2. Same thing. By multiplying by what term to x, you get x cube. Sign here plus and here also plus. So here you should take sign plus. So here power is 3. Here power is 1. 3 minus 1, 2. So with x square you should multiply. X into x square, x cube. Plus into minus, minus. X square into half, half x square. Now what you need to do? You have to subtract. So before subtracting, what you need to do? You have to change the sign. This x cube and x cube cancels. Here plus 3 and here plus half. Here plus 3 and here plus half. So 3 plus 1 by 2. What you get? LCM 2. 6 plus 1. 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 x square you get. So here you should get first sign is plus. So let us take plus. Here number you should get 7 by 2. So you have to multiply by 7 by 2. Next here get x square. So by what term you should multiply x to get x square? 2 minus 1, 1. So x. Let us multiply. And you have to bring down this 3x. Let us multiply. 7 by 2 x into x. 7 by 2 x square. Plus into minus. Minus. 7 by 2 into 1 by 2. 7 by 4 x. Clear? So now you have to subtract. Sign changes. These two change. So here what you get? 3x plus 7 by 4x. That means you have to add 3 and 7 by 4. What is your LCM? 4. 3 4 is 12 plus 7. 19 by 4. So what you get? 19 by 4 x. And you have to bring this 1 here. So here what number you should get? 19 by 4. So you have to multiply by 19 by 4. 19 by 4 into x. 19 by 4 x. 19 by 4 into minus half. Minus 19 by 8. When you subtract, the sign changes. these two cancels. So now 1 plus 19 by 8. Clear? LCM 8. 8 plus 19. How much? 27 by 8. So what is this 27 by 8? This is your remainder. What is this? This is your quotient. So what you get? You get quotient x square plus 7 by 2x plus 19 by 4. And what remainder you get? You get remainder 27 by 8. So because you are getting remainder, this is not a factor of this polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Understood? Let me write that. X minus 1 by 2 is not a factor. Is not a factor of polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, I think you understood how to divide a polynomial by a linear polynomial. Clear? And this thing also you understood when a linear polynomial would become a factor to a given polynomial. Very simple. If you get remainder 0, then it will be a factor. When you get some remainder, it will not be a what? Factor. Clear? So now our next sum reads like this. Find the remainder when 2x square minus 3x plus x is divided by 2x minus 3. Does it exactly divide the polynomial? State reason. So now what we have to do? We have to divide 2x square minus 3x plus 5 by what? 2x minus 3. So here what we have to do? Here we have 2 and here we have 2. So you need not to multiply by any number. Here you have x. Here you have x square. So with what you need to multiply? Power 2 minus 1. That means 1. That means by x. So now you have to multiply both these terms by x. Plus into plus, plus. 2x into x, 2x square. Plus into minus, minus. X into 3, 3x. Now you have to subtract this. 2x square and this minus 3x and plus 3x also cancels. What you get? You get 5. What you get? You get 5. So when you divide 2x square minus 3x plus 5 by 2x minus 3, you get 5 as a remainder. 5 as a remainder. So this 2x minus 3 doesn't divide exactly the polynomial. This 2x minus 3 doesn't exactly divide the given polynomial 2x square minus 3x plus 5. What is the reason? The reason is here you got 5 remainder. Clear? Here is your next sum. If polynomials 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5 and x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a leave the same remainder when divided by x minus 2, find the value of a. Let me read again. You see, two polynomials are given. What is the first polynomial? 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5. What is the second polynomial? X cube plus x square minus 4x plus a. These two polynomials are divided by x minus 2. Then what happened? You have the same remainder. What you got? You got same remainder. Then you need to find the value of a in such case. In such case, you should find the value of a. So what we do, let us denote your ax cube plus x square minus 4x plus a by px. Px is equal to x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a. And let us denote the second polynomial by qx. What is that? 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5. What is given when these two polynomials are divided by x minus 2? They left the same remainder. That means p of 2 is equal to q of 2. What is given? P of 2 is equal to q of 2. So now let us find P of 2 for this polynomial. Let us find P of 2 for this polynomial. That means in place of x, we have to take what? 2. That means P2 will become 2 cube plus 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus a is equal to, let us write 2q, q2, q of 2. That means 2 into 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 5. Clear? Let us simplify this. 2 cube means what? 8. 2 square means what? 4. Minus 2 into 2 minus 8 plus a is equal to 2 cube 8. 8 2 the 16 plus 2 square means 4. 4a plus 3 into 2 6 minus 5. Clear? Plus 8 minus 8 cancels. Clear? Here what you get? A plus 4 is equal to, here you see 16 plus 6, 22 minus 5. 22 minus 5 is 17 plus 4a. So what we do, let us transfer this a to this side and let us transfer this 17 to this side. Then what happens? 4a minus a, 3a is equal to plus 4. Here it is plus 17. When you take that side, it will become minus 17. Plus 4 minus 17 minus 13. Plus 4 minus 17 minus 13 you get, or a is equal to, this side it is dividing, when you take other side it will become what? It divides, minus 13 by 3. So the value of a will be minus 13 by 3 when these two polynomials x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a and x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5 leave same remainder when they are divided by x minus 2. I think you understood today's all sums. Again tomorrow I come up with some new problems. Till then, have a nice day. And thank you for watching my lesson.